In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts in Mailchimp. We'll go step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. To get started, log into your Mailchimp account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the dashboard. You'll see a menu there. Find the option labeled Audience and click on it. This is where Mailchimp keeps all of your contacts. After the audience page loads, you should see a list of any existing contacts, along with some options for managing them. Now, look toward the top right corner of this page for a button that says Add Contacts. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From the options in this menu, choose Import Contacts. Mailchimp will now take you to a new page that asks how you'd like to add your contacts. You'll see a few different methods, but for this video, we're going to use a file. Select Upload a File, and then click Continue. You'll now be on the upload page. Click the button that says Select a File. This will open your computer's file browser. Navigate to the file that contains the contacts you want to import. Usually this will be a CSV or similar spreadsheet file. Click on the file to highlight it, and then press Enter or click Open. Mailchimp will start uploading your file. Wait for the upload to complete. Larger files can take a little longer. Once it's finished, click Continue. Next, choose which audience you want these contacts to be added to. If you have multiple audiences, pick the one that makes the most sense for your list, then click Continue again. You'll now have the option to add tags to your contacts. Tags help you organize and segment your list later, so this is a good time to search for existing tags, create new ones, or select from popular tags Mailchimp suggests. When you're done adding tags, click Continue. Mailchimp will now show you a screen where you match the columns from your file to the fields inside Mailchimp, like email address, first name, and last name. Go through each column and make sure it's mapped to the correct field. When everything looks right, click Continue. You'll then be asked to set the email marketing status for these contacts, such as subscribed or non-subscribed. Choose the appropriate status based on how you collected their information, and then click Finalize Import. You'll see a summary of your import, including how many contacts are about to be added. Review this carefully, and when you're satisfied, click Complete Import. Mailchimp will process the file, and after a short wait, the page will reload. You should now see a success message confirming that your new contacts have been added to your audience. That's all there is to it.